How can you turn up the typing sound on the iPhone? And let me show you how it works. If you're new on this channel, consider subscribing for tutorials and more videos like this one. So first of all, make sure that your iPhone is not in the silent mode when, the mute switch is down, or if you go to the control center and see that the silent mode is enabled, then the keyboard feedback will not be audible. So you'll be able to just, type normally, but you're not going to hear any feedback. So to turn up the sound, make sure that you switch your iPhone to the regular ring mode. But also you can check out the settings app where all of the other controls are present by, of course, navigating to the sounds and haptics. There you can choose if the sounds are going to be turned on for the keyboard feedback, kind of important as well. But when it comes to the volume of the sounds to make it go up, for that, you need to adjust the ringer and alerts volume at the top of the list here. So if it's slided all the way to the left, you'll still hear the typing sounds, but it's just going to be much more quiet. If you slide it to the right, it's going to bump up the sound of the typing a bit more. It's not going to be like a huge difference, but the difference is definitely there. Keep in mind, however, that it also applies to the incoming calls, and ringtones are going to be louder too, and the alerts and notifications, it applies to that as well. But yeah, that is kind of how it works. So I hope that I was able to explain it all in this video. Let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe for upcoming tutorials and videos similar to this, and I'll see you later. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.